Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to report a DoorDash driver. Firstly, what you can do is standard delivery issues. Open the DoorDash customer app. After you open the app, tap the orders, tap at the bottom of the screen, select the order you want to report. What next you can do is tap on help or report an issue in the top right corner. Pick your reason from the menu, add comments or photo as proof if you have them, and submit the form. Secondly, what you can do is safety and emergency incidents. Tap the blue shield icon in the app during or right after your delivery. Select chat support. Tell the agent what happened. All safety reports are sent to a trained safety agent for review. For urgent life-threatening emergencies, you can call. Thirdly, what you can do is, as a restaurant employee, use the restaurant's DoorDash merchant's portal table to rate the driver. You can ban the specific driver from picking up orders from a restaurant. Alternatively, call DoorDash support to block the driver. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.